मोरजैहि धनागमतृष्णां कुरु सद्बुद्धि मनसि वितृष्णां यल्लभसे निज कर्मोपातं वित्तं तेन vinodaya chittam. Foolish people, they are running behind the money and they think money is the only thing that I want to achieve in their life. And main thing is, people do not want money from their hard work. People want to earn money shortcut, like lottery. Vittam tena vinodaya chittam yallavase nija karmopatam. If you do hard work and receive the amount of money, and that money only gave you pleasure, gave you peace, harmony in your life. When you do hard work and you eat, that food becomes ambrosia, amrita. That's why do not seek shortcut money, do not go behind the money, do hard work, and you will see all happens naturally.